and gents, let's talk about 3 ways that you can make money. I'm talking $300 plus every single day with absolutely no experience from your end. You have to have no experience and you don't even have to put in a lot of work. The tool that I'm going to talk to you about is going to do 95% of the work for you. All you have to do is learn how to use it and leverage it. But before I get into the video, let me preface the video by saying that every few decades we have opportunities. An opportunity that comes along our way that if we don't jump on the train, this opportunity train at the right time, it's gonna be almost impossible to leverage it in our advantage and make money using it. We had that opportunity with the .com era. We had that opportunity with the cryptocurrency era. A lot of people made a lot of money, became very, very wealthy very quickly, and no matter how much people that saw others make money then try to jump on the opportunity with cryptocurrencies, they failed because they lost a bunch of money on it. So it's very important that you also jump on this opportunity at the right time as well. And this era is going to be the artificial intelligence era, right? Tools are coming into place where if you don't learn how to use it, if you don't use it for your own advantage and leverage these tools, it's going to be very difficult for you to later on in the future make money on them. All right, the tool we're going to be talking about today is called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model created by OpenAI. Pretty much what it does is it takes every article, every blog, any literal data set that's out there available on the internet, puts it into a cognitive human-like sentence, and then it gives you an answer. So you can ask it pretty much any question possible, and it will give you a very human-like answer. So you could be like, ChatGPT, what are your current thoughts on police brutality in America? Do you still think that it's an ongoing thing, an ongoing issue? I'll give you an answer. So it's very cool. It's very, very simple to use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the 3 ways that you can make money using this tool, and then I'm going to actually jump into the tool and show you how exactly it works. All right, the first way you can make money using ChatGPT is writing copywriting. What is copywriting? A lot of businesses in these days, they use ads, right? Everything that you see on Instagram, Reels, on TikTok, on YouTube Shorts, even YouTube videos, there's a lot of ads. Those ads require copywriting, the ad itself. So if I'm a dental office, a dental clinic, my ad would be, come on over to my dental clinic, we'll have free cleaning and 20% off, etc., etc. That language itself is the copy. And a lot of businesses, they'll pay marketing agencies to write copy and ads for them. Marketing agencies will hire people, third-party contractors, to write the copies for them, right? The ad itself to entice the consumer to come over to their business and become a member, a client, a customer. The next way you can make money using ChatGPT is writing essays for college students. You kind of see where I'm going with this, right? I used to be a student. You probably are a student. To be honest with you guys, fucking hated writing essays. It was one of the most stressful things for me in college. And a lot of times, and this is me kind of confessing that I sometimes cheated my way through college, especially English class, I would hire somebody to write essays for me, right? So give them the topic, this contractor, could be in the US, outside of the US, would write an essay for me. I'd have 95% of my content, I'd tweak it a little bit, my essay is done, I'm good to go. What this tool does for you is you could literally type in, ChatGPT, write me a 3-page essay on the Russian-Ukraine war. And it's gonna do that for you. It's literally gonna write you a 3-page essay on that topic. And you can sell that to students. The third way you can make money using ChatGPT is writing scripts for YouTubers. I am a YouTuber. These videos that I make, they require me to write a script. Sometimes I'll come in here and I'll just talk, but a lot of times these videos require me to write a script. And as I mentioned before, I hate writing, so writing the script itself is one of the most challenging parts of making the video, right? What you could do with this tool, again, is literally be like, ChatGPT, write me a YouTube script on 3 ways that someone can make money using real estate. And it will do that for you. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the tool itself. So what you wanna do is you wanna go into a website called OpenAI. Just Google that. First page is openai.com. You want to click on that, come all the way down, the bottom left corner, you see an option for ChatGPT. You want to go ahead and click on that, and then you want to click on Try ChatGPT. And what you want to do is you want to create an account. I've already created my account, so I'm good to just go ahead and type in my questions and it will answer for me. But once you create your account, you'll have this page as well. And at the same time, I also want to open up a website called Upwork. Upwork is a tool where you can hire contractors to do work for you. So for example, if I write in essays, it will have contractors that can write an essay for me, and you can tell here in the bottom that people charge a lot of money writing essays. So this lady charges $40 an hour. Matthew T charges $75 an hour, Robert charges $40 an hour. So you get the idea of how much you can charge people to do these services for them. So what you want to do is you get an idea of what these services cost. So if I write an essay for a student about the Russian-Ukraine war, it's gonna possibly take me about 2 hours, 3 hours. 3 times 4 is $120. That's $120 that you made just off of one client. And we'll see how easy it is to go ahead, write this essay and charge your clients for it. Write me an essay, write me a 3-page essay on the Russian-Ukraine war. And as you can tell, it types itself away, and your literal essay that you would have paid somebody $40 an hour, $75 an hour to write for you, this tool is going to do it for you. Plagiarism free, for free. And you can do this, you can charge people, and you can create this content for them and charge them and make money, $40, $50 an hour just to do this for them. Cool. So we got our content, we got our essay, right? What I could do at this point and be like, all right, this is too short for me. I'll be like, can you make it longer? Takes the same exact essay and it'll just make it longer for you. It'll take the same content, add more content to it and make the essay longer for you. So again, this is gonna be a longer version of what the bot already worked for you. Good writing, right? The writing itself is very top tier. It's so funny because I had my little brother, who's also a medical student, had this chat write an essay for him on how diabetes affects mental health. And when he saw the verbiage, he said that it's very similar to what and how he would write the essay. So it's not like this is gonna take your question on the essay that you wanted to write for you. It actually is very eloquently written, right? So you can use this for a university, you can use this for a lot of high tier subjects. All right, the next thing we could do is we could just be like, write me an ad copy for my teddy bear business. It's so cool. Introducing the cuddliest companions you'll ever meet, our adorable teddy bears. At our teddy bear business, we have a wide selection of bears. This in itself is what a lot of businesses will pay for advertising agencies to write for them. They'll pay top tier dollars, right? They'll pay you $1,500 to $2,000 a month to write ad copies and then run the ads for them. So this in itself is just amazing that you can use a tool like this to just write the ads for you and leverage that to your own advantage. The great thing is that a lot of businesses don't know about this tool yet, so they'll still hire contractors like you. What you could do is you could leverage this, you could charge them to write the ad copies, and it took me 5 seconds to type in the question and then it gave me an answer, right? The ad copy in itself. All right, so for example, if I go back into Upwork and I write copywriting. All right. This girl charges you $60 an hour to write ad copies for you in English to Danish translations, for example. That's just one of the examples. This gentleman is going to charge you $100 an hour to write in lifecycle marketing, email marketing, or ad copies for email marketing for you, right? So you get the idea of how much it costs to write ad copies. Ad copies actually cost a lot more than writing essays for students, right? So this should be your bread and butter of how you can make money using this tool for businesses and advertising agencies, and say so on and so forth. You can go ahead and write a topic. You can just be like, write me a YouTube script on 3 ways I can make money using real estate. Ladies and gentlemen, I would suggest go ahead and play with this tool. There's a lot more ways that you can leverage this tool to make money. There's a lot more ways that you can leverage this tool to make your life easier, even if you don't want to make money, right? So if you are a coder, if you're an IT professional, this thing can write code for you and it can make it easier for you. If you tell it, hey, write me code for a specific software or app, whatever, I will give you basic ways for you to even start and what languages to use, etc., etc. There's a lot of ways that this tool can help you. Let me know if you find this video useful. Let me know if this is something that you can use in your day-to-day life. As always, remember, join the family, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. That helps the YouTube algorithm, as we all YouTubers say, but since you love me, you're gonna hit it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.